Hi children, how are you? Welcome to Mallareddy Memorial School digital classes. In this video, let us discuss about the gathering food and hunting. Thousands of years ago, people survived by collecting fruits, flowers, honey, wild grains, and edible tubers and roots that grow naturally in the forest. They also hunted birds and animals for their food. They did not grow any crop or rear any animals. Then, how do they know which is edible food in the forest? There are plenty of food in the forest. Then, how do we know which is edible food and which is not edible food? Do we know the difference between edible food and non-edible food? Yes. To find out the difference between edible food and non-edible food, we have to know all these things. We need to know what food is edible. While collecting food from the forest, we need to know what food is edible, where it grows. So we should also know that where this food grows and when it is available. We have some seasons, and according to season, some fruits and vegetables grow. So that we should also know when this food or that particular food available. You may also need to know how to eat it. Sometimes we should also know how to eat that particular food. The last one is can be eaten raw or cooked. The food that is available in the forest can be eaten raw or cooked. So we should also know this. So raw food means not cooked food. Okay. So in olden days, the people ate raw food, but later the changes has occurred. They started cooking and they started eating cooking food. Okay, so we should also know which food can be eaten, whether it is raw or cooked food. Even to hunt, the hunters need to know the hunted animal very well. Yes, we should have a plan to hunt the animals in the forest. Let us see what are they. Where does it roam whole day? It means the animal which we are going to hunt should know where does it roam whole day. Then only we can identify its movements, and we can get that animal into our trap. Okay, so next question is where does it eat or drink? So we should also know that where does it eat, the place of it, the place of this animal, the eating place of this animal, and the uh, place where it drinks the water. Okay, and the next one is it dangerous? Is that animal dangerous? So if you know that this animal is dangerous, we can be careful while hunting and before hunting. Okay, what are the uses of its parts? Okay, parts of the animal. Okay, we have parts as well as humans also have parts. So there are some uses of the particular parts of the animals, so we should also know that. Okay, all this information is known by the earliest people. The earliest people over many generations had learnt about all these things and taught them to their children. They have learnt all these children from their masters and from their fathers, and they have taught it to their children. So this has come over many generations, and it has repeatedly continuing.